Hello there and welcome. This unusually shaped blood orange lenticular cloud was recently spotted in Turkey. Heavy rains in Brazil transform a hiking trail into a magical underwater paradise. When disturbed, bioluminescent plankton illuminates its surroundings with a beautiful neon blue glow.
Oh my goodness.
A sundog or sun halo is an ultra-rare phenomenon that occurs when sunlight is refracted by ice crystals that are floating high up in the atmosphere.
Whoa. What the heck did that come from?
I don't know. What is it?
Oh,
What is that?
I don't know. Where did it come from? Yeah, it's steaming.
Wind so strong it makes a waterfall flow in reverse. A magnificent and extremely rare capture of a double full circle rainbow. A true wonder of nature, chaotic turbulent clouds that move like waves. They're called undulatus asperatus and are the world's rarest cloud formation. This is Colombia's Rainbow River. Its vibrant colours are due to an extremely rare aquatic plant that blooms into one of 5 colours. Thanks for watching, I hope you have a great day and I'll hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.